Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Aries. Today's tarot reading, it's going to be different guys. We are picking cards for your career situation first. So I'll be picking 3 cards for your career situation guys, and 3 cards for your relationship. And Aries, today destiny is going to help you. So how things are going to unfold in your life, you may see that things are proceeding in a harmonious way, and you need to have patience in your domestic life guys. That is also what I see. And maybe for some of you, you may have some minor problems in your skin. Some troubles may be there, some rashes, something minor guys. So let us see what these cards are about for your career situation first guys, Aries. So 2 of Swords, 9 of Cups, and 6 of Cups in reverse. So with these cards in your situation guys, you are trying to adapt, being really flexible, compromise in your situation today, maybe taking up a choice, but you have to give up on something, and you are finding it really difficult. You feel that you are tied down today. Maybe that is a difficult situation for you to make that decision, make that compromise, maybe give up something, or you are not seeing the truth in certain circumstance. You are trying to avoid seeing the truth maybe guys. That may also be the energy. So you need to make some decisions, go in a particular path, but you have to make some compromise to go on that path, and it is really difficult for you. That is what I see. Maybe something in your work, maybe you have to go against the views of your friends or your close colleague, someone. But I also see here that you are feeling happy and content today, how things are proceeding in your life. You have that emotional satisfaction about your circumstance, your work circumstance. Things are proceeding in a harmonious way, and you are happy for it. And maybe for some of you, maybe some projects or some deals, whatever it is, that is supposed to come in a particular timeline, which you were expecting to receive after a few months, maybe it's coming beforehand. So something is coming even before your expected timeline, something that makes you happy guys. That is what I see for your career situation, Aries. So peace of mind in general for your career situation guys, and your life in general. So let us see what are the cards for your relationship. So we have picked 3 cards from another deck: Queen of Water, 7 of Air, Ace of Fire. So with these cards in your situation today guys, you have that inspiration. You feel that inspiration with this person, and you feel that your ability and skill is without a limit. So limitless. You feel you have that limitless potential when you are with them. Something that is pushing you to dream big in this connection, or dream big about you both, or about your life in general. Something which is taking you on that adventurous mode. So And maybe for some of you, your dreams are proceeding towards reality, guys. In this relationship, you have that attraction towards them, and this person is a great inspiration for you. And maybe they are into some kind of an adventurous sport, or you may be into some kind of an adventure. You interested in some adventurous hobbies like hiking, mountaineering, something of that sort, guys. So, and maybe you are taking up that adventure together, or you are planning on a trip together. That is also what I see. And with this person, you have that emotional security, compassion. You both have that mutual love and compassion, and this person is so nurturing and caring that you feel they are the most loving and caring person you have been with. And this person knows what you like, and they know your worth and you know their worth. So you have that mutual love and understanding, guys. That is also what I see here. And this person inspires you every day, and you see them as inspiration, and you feel confident when you are with them. That confidence is there in this connection because of that mutual love and understanding you both share with each other. And this person gives you freedom, and they give you the freedom to decide, or you give them the freedom to decide and live life on their own terms, maybe. And that is what makes this relationship work. So you both have a deep understanding, a deep connection with each other, and you both know each other's needs, and you both listen to each other, know each other's goals and aspirations in life, and you are helping each other to progress towards that dreams and goals. That is what I see with these cards, Aries, for your relationship. So this relationship, it may be a twin flame soulmate connection here, guys. That is what I see, because freedom is love, and when your person gives you freedom, it means they love you a lot. Freedom to think, decide for themselves, make any decisions for themselves or about this relationship. So when that freedom is there in this connection, it just means that they love you a lot, guys. So this may mean a twin flame soulmate connection. That is the reason we see that you both share that deep bond, and it also shows you are progressing towards some new beginning, some adventurous beginning in this connection, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, Aries. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.